Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. First of all, as you can see, my background looks different, and that's because I just moved into a new apartment. Definitely, I will be doing a house tour for you guys, but that will be much later. And that's because this house is still very crude, very empty. I moved in from a smaller apartment. This is a bigger one, so there's a lot of void to fill. But don't worry. Maybe in the next 1 2 weeks, I would do a full house tour for you guys and how I was able to move in, where I came from, and all that. That will be in another video. All right. So for today, as usual, guys, I just got another payout and still on my 5K account, but it's all good. It's all good. So this goes to say that since the beginning of this year, I have been receiving payouts every fortnight, every 2 weeks. I have been receiving payout. There's not one fortnight that I didn't receive a payout. So this is becoming a regular thing, which is very good. The only thing is that I see on the 5K account, which is not so good for me. Yeah, because the money is not that kind of money that that can move, that can really move me, the kind of person I am. I can probably call myself a middle class citizen here in Nigeria. So making profit of a 5K account is not bad, but not at that level that I want. And but you cannot rush the process. It has to be slow and steady, and that's why I'm not bothered because I know that I'm getting there. And my goal, remember, my plan for the year is to make up to 100K in profits from trading, and I'm still in that direction. I still have my 15K account. Remember, I was in drawdown for a long time, for at least 3 weeks, 2 3 weeks. I was in drawdown, but I've been able to pull out, and that's why you see that I was able to get a payout on my 5K account. My 15K account is still floating, very much alive this time around. As at the time I made this video last week, it was still shaky, but now it's very much alive. I'm just less than 3% to break even. I know what that means. What that means is that if I can get a little profit on that account, I can request a payout. The only negative or the only difficult part of it is that my 30 days period, for when you just get your first withdrawal from a prop firm account, is usually, for most prop firms, is usually 20 to 30 days. So for Fundednext is 30 days. So my 30 days time trading period is coming to an end on Tuesday next week, and that's where everything becomes dicey, because if I'm unable to get a payout by Tuesday next week, it means that I'll have to wait another 30 days again. That's gonna be mind blowing, guys. I don't even want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. 30 days is agonizing enough, this last 30 days, because that account never saw 1% profit. That account never saw 1% profit. So you can imagine what it means. The account was just in drawdown all the whole 4 weeks. Now the 4 weeks is coming to an end, 30 days is coming to an end, and it's still in drawdown, although in a better place, but it's still in drawdown. I really need. I'm really hoping that I can get a good trade. At least I've been making profits over the last few days, so I'm hoping that I can get a good trade on Monday or Tuesday. I just need something out of that account. If you can get a payout even as low as I think the minimum payout for Fundednext is $30. So if you can get a payout as low as $30 from that account, it's $20. I mean, so if you can get a minimum payout of like 20 to 40 to $50 on that 15K account, then it means that I won't be waiting for 30 days for my subsequent withdrawals. It will be 14. It will be 14 days. It will be 14 days, and that even makes it more juicy, because just like my 5K account, I've been receiving payouts every 2 weeks. Then it means that I will probably be able to receive payouts every 2 weeks from that 15K account. And guess what? If I can get a payout on that 15K account, I'm buying my 100K account immediately, and it's going to be live on this channel. So you just want to keep following. I'm buying my 100K account. Remember, my goal is to make 100K this year. So I'm in the process already. So all I need is just to go steady. I'm going to buy about 100K live on this account, and there's something I want to use the first payout of that money of that account to do. And I'm not going to let it out of the bag. I'm going to let you know once I'm ready to get the account. Once I get the account, yeah. Okay, so that's the summary of this week. It's been good. It's been good, at least for me, to be able to secure a payout, is it 3% payout? 3% payout here on Fundednext, then it means that it's been good, and I'll be able to drag my 15K account up back up again. So definitely good. All right, so let me quickly run into my account, my trading view account. Just show you one or two trades that I took and was able to get me that profit this week. All right, guys, I'm here on my trading view account, and this is USDCAD, but I think I should start with gold because that was taken earlier in the week. Yeah, this is on Thursday. I think this is the same day I took USDCAD as well. This trade hit stop loss, as you can see already. And why was I even? Let me see. Because gold is one of my major pairs, but this week I was just a complete range. And so thank God I was just able to take only one trade on it. Maybe I would have lost more. So if I go to, I think let me go back to the 1 hour time frame here. Before this big red candle right here, you will notice that the market was on an uptrend, and at this level I thought it would continue because of this big bullish candle that broke the structure. So on pullback I was looking to get in, and I felt this was a good area for entry, especially on the 15 minutes. So if you look at the 15 minutes time frame, you will notice that there was a liquidation of these lows. So price cleared the whole of these lows, then broke this structure to the upside, even above this previous one right here. So on pull back to this level, I expect that it was going to buy, and even right here again, there was this strong impulsive candle breaking this previous level. So you would notice that this looks like a down high, higher low, and higher high. So I felt this was going to be a good place to buy. As you can see, after entering here, it went up for a moment, for a minute, and then crashed down, taking my stop loss along with it. So that was how gold was lost, and since then I just didn't look at it again. But on USD card, I think that was almost the same time I took both trades. This one had a better structure, a clearer structure, because if you go to the 4 hours time frame, you would notice that there is lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and the market just seems to be trending downwards at that point in time. So, and I had to draw this trend line, which you would see clearly here in the 1 hour time frame. So I had to match these highs, and at this level, I just felt that price was going to reverse once again. Then on 15 minutes, you would notice that on getting to this trend line, price changed direction. You would see this couple of red candles before the green one. Let me lock this. So you see this couple of green candles, and this red candle that broke below this structure right here. And then I was ready to sell, and I went in for this sell, and you can see I was able to come out with a 4 hour from this trade. This is the trade that got me the profit, and I withdrew yesterday from my 5K account, and I was able to come out with a 4 hour, but and that's because I was just looking to break this structure. If I had left it longer, this was my long-term target. Let me show you from the 4 hours. So this low was my long-term target, and that's because right here you notice that there is previous resistance here, turned support right here. So I just knew that this price was going to come to this level to test it once again, and that was why it was my target. But because I was in drawdown and I didn't want to take much risk, I didn't want a situation where because price could easily come back to this level and then retrace back to break even. I didn't want that to happen because of the where my account was at that point in time. So, but if I had left it to my original target, then you can easily see that this would have been a clean 7 hour trade, even though I went as much as 8 hour. This was my original target, so I would have been able to come out with a 7 hour on this trade if I had left it beyond that, and my payout would have been a lot bigger. But that's trading for you. You cannot really predict how the market is going to move. You just have to take the one that you can and leave the rest for the market. Okay, so on Friday, this was on Thursday by the way. On Friday, what happened on Friday? Yeah, so as you can see, I was actually desperate on Friday because I really wanted to cross that 15K account to I need to go above break even. Remember what I told you that I would have to wait another 30 days if I was able to get a payout by Tuesday from this 15K account. So after breaking of this, after price broke this level, we trace back to this place. You can see a first rejection here. So on the second rejection, this was Friday morning, I was ready to get in, and I did actually get into this trade, but it took me out at break even because yeah, I had to move my stop loss to break even. As you can see, price already started the move, broke through this structure. So I was a bit confident that this is going to go my way. And even when it started doing all this retracement, I just felt it was a retracement that would see it make the move. So, but I just moved my stop loss to break even level just in case it doesn't go. And as you can see, it didn't go. Took me out of stop loss. So those are the two trades that I want to share with you that I took this week on USDCAD and gold. I was able to get me my payouts. Okay, so that's it. I'll quickly run into my Fundednext account so I can show you how it's doing over there. All right, guys. So here's my Fundednext account, and immediately you can see my 15K account, 14,603, and my 5K account has been reset back to $5,000, and I have another 2 weeks here to make some profits and request payouts. So I'll quickly run into this account because this is the main account that you guys should be following, see what's going on in the account. So I'll quickly show you what's up there. So just like I said, I have payout. End date is 11th of March, and if I open my calendar right here, you would see that 11th of 11th of March, right? Yeah, you will see that 11th of March is on Tuesday. So if I don't get a payout between Monday and if I don't get above break even between Monday and Tuesday, and I'm unable to secure a payout, then it means I have to wait another 30 days. And that will be 12, 19, 26, 2nd of April. That would be crazy. I don't want that to happen. So and right here you can already see that it's just short of 3% in drawdown, which is very much recovery. But I only need one good trade on Monday or Tuesday to get this above break even. Okay, so that's it for this account. Let me quickly show you my equity curve. That gives you a very clear understanding on how I've been performing. So you would see that I got this account on 11th of February, and since then, like I said, I never saw one kobo profit in this account. I did not see one kobo of profit in this account. Like it's very crazy. You know how demoralizing this can be to your psyche. It was just steadily going down, and I was close to losing. If I had gotten to 13,500, that would have been the end of this account. That would have been the end. 13,500, guys. Yeah, but as God will have it, you can see that I've gradually started pulling myself back up once again, and I'm right here. All I need is just one or two good trades. Just one good trade is okay on Monday. That's tomorrow or Tuesday to get back above 15K. I need to get something out of these accounts by Tuesday. I'm not going to be too desperate about it, but I really, really wish I can. And I know that I can and I will. And I will come back to do another video telling you guys that I made it. Okay, that's it. That's all I have to share, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will keep on doing this for you guys. It's good to follow someone follow someone on this journey so you can have a better way to embark on it when it's time for you to. That's why I'm doing these videos, and I hope you get value from them. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again next week. Bye.